The Pink Panther and Sons will return after these messages.
Mask, where illusion is the ultimate weapon.
Convert switchblade to jet mode. Surprise, map tracker. It's mayhem. Battle station. Protect the decoder, Bruce. I'm going up. Stacks ready to fire.
Mask, Switchblade, Thunderhawk, and Rhino.
Fire!
Each sold separately with action figure.
Cover me, Matt. 10-4. Sato's getting away. But you're not, Mayhem.
Mask, Switchblade, Thunderhawk, and Rhino. Each sold separately. New from Kenner.
We're out to test your tummy.
No way, B. I'm so into my workout.
With a taste of nuts and honey.
Nuts and honey.
We're a honey on the nose. We're Honey Nut Cheerios.
Like wow.
Honey Nut Cheerios, part of this nutritious breakfast.
Super.
It's a honey on the nose. It's Honey Nut Cheerios.
We now return to the Pink Panther and Sons. The Pink Panther and Sons will return after these messages.
Milk, it does.
Milk does the body.
Milk, it does the body good.
Pass it on.
What you mean?
Keep you cool and keep you lean.
Makes you big, makes you strong.
Picks you up all day long.
It does. It's all there.
Good for teeth and bones and hair.
Milk, it does the body good.
Pass it on.
Milk it does.
Milk, it does the body good. Milk, it does the body good.
Pass it on.
I am a mouse. And my job is to eat things. One really fun thing I get to eat is Twizzlers candy. It makes me happy. They're so chewy, and their fruity flavor is so juicy. So if you have a mouth, and I know you do, may I personally recommend Twizzlers.
We now return to the Pink Panther and Sons. The Pink Panther and Sons will return after these messages.
It is the crunch.
It is the taste.
It is the crunch.
It is the taste.
What do my friends like best about Captain Crunch cereal?
The taste.
Right.
The crunch.
Right.
It's the golden sweet taste. Delicious to the last bite.
No, it's the crispy crunch. Crunch that's just right.
It's the taste so yummy sweet.
No, it's the crunch that's really neat.
Part of this good breakfast complete.
Well, that makes it clear to me. It's the crunch. Or was that the taste?
At last, I've got He-Man trapped with my walls of evil.
Oh, yeah? Saurus bashes evil away.
Skeletor, He-Man figures, and Bashosaurus vehicle each sold separately.
Bash away.
Next bash is on you, base.
Bashosaurus, new from the Masters of the Universe collection. Not for use with some figures, each toy sold separately. From Mattel.
Coming up on the Smurfs, will Big Mouth join the Little Blue Adventurers? My lips are sealed. And kids, coming September 14th, the Smurfs will have some new friends. When they move to Smurf Village, the Smurfs will be better than ever. Saturday mornings on NBC. And now get ready for 90 minutes of fun with the Smurfs, followed by Alvin and the Chipmunks.